Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back and welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobballet.in. This is a walk-in interview for quality and production departments at Vadodara from Insta Pharmaceuticals. So this job was posted on Naukari. So coming to the interview venue, 26th March, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. At here you can see the Fen and Ecotel Hotel Vadodara of Dinesh Mill Road near Urmichar Rasta. So 2 to 7 years experience is required, and the salary is 3 lakh to 7 lakh per annum. And coming to the job description, department solid orals tablet manufacturing. The education qualification required is Bpharm with 2 to 6 years of experience in granulation, compression, coating, and inspection for quality control. MSc or BSc with 2 to 5 years of experience in instrument handling instruments like HPLC, GC, UV, and IR. And quality assurance in process quality assurance, validation, and qualification. Bpharm, Mpharm, MSc with 3 to 7 years of experience is required. So these are the desired candidate profiles. So if you are interested, you can attend the walk-in interview. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. See you in the next video.